Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to recover an account in Microsoft Authenticator application, or how you can recover a Microsoft Authenticator account. Here's what you're going to have to do. The first thing is, I would have said, okay, which of course I'm just going to say right away. So first off, launch your Authenticator application. Now, if you're having an issue with your account and you're trying to recover your account, then you're definitely not going to be able to open that account in the Authenticator app like I have done right now. So once you get into the account, the first thing you're going to see is the sign up window where you're going to have to enter your details to sign up. So let's say you lost the details, let's say the password of your previous Authenticator account, and you want to recover it. Right there in the sign up page, you're definitely going to find an option that says forgot password. It's a hyperlink. All right, so just go ahead and click on that forgot password and follow through with the steps to create a new password. Now, once you click on forgot password, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have to verify your account. So ensure that the email that you use for the authenticator is available. All right, so you can access it, because they might want to send a code there or send a code to your authenticator app. But since you can access your authenticator app, you can opt in for the email or phone number option, all right, for them to reach out to you. So once you go through the process, then it's going to take you to another window that's after verification, to take you to another window where you're going to have to enter your new password, and you're going to re-enter your new password in the second box to confirm it. So what you entered in the first box, replicated, or yes, so replicated in the second box. Now once you do that, go ahead and confirm your new password, and you will see that the password has been changed. So you get a mail stating that your Microsoft Authenticator account password has been changed. Okay, so once that has been changed, then head over to launch your Microsoft Authenticator application again, and then follow through with the prompt to sign up or sign in now, in this case, using the new password and of course your Gmail, your email account, whatever email that you used. So you enter your email and you're going to enter a new password, and definitely you'll be able to recover that account. But if you've lost access to the mail and the password, then there's another option that you might want to take. So from here, launch in a browser of your choice and type in support.microsoft.com slash, what are they saying here? So /en. Do you see that? So just go ahead and click on that, or just click on Microsoft support or Microsoft recovery page in the search bar of your browser. Is going to take you here. So if you scroll all the way down, they're going to show you the second part that says fill out the form using a recognized device and location. So go ahead and click on account recovery form, and it's going to take you here, so you can now recover your account. So enter the email that you want to recover in the first box, and the next box is where do you want Microsoft to contact you on. So you have to enter that in, your contact email address. All right, and then here you have enter the characters you see. So once you do that, click on next, and once you do that, follow through the next steps, which are self-explanatory, and you'll be able to recover your account. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.